Hi guys, today I will show you how to password protect your Excel file. So what I have here, this is for today's exercise only. These are not real figures. I've actually in fact downloaded this template from Microsoft website, and it shows personal monthly budget. So there's a whole variety why you would password protect your file. Maybe because your Excel file contains sensitive information, confidential information, such as financial information, which is what we have here, and we want to keep that as a secret. And or basically you would simply just would like to protect your file. So how do we go about in doing that? You go File at the top here, and you go Save As. You go on to click on Browse. So you would select where you would like to save your file. In this case, I'd select Downloads folder, and the file name, I'll just leave it as Personal Monthly Budget. Now, next to the Save button, there's a Tools drop-down menu here. So click on that one, click on General Options, and it will bring up this screen. So over here, we have two options. One is the password to open and password to modify. Basically, what you have here is when you put in a password to open, every time you try to open the file, it will ask you to type in the password. And every time you would like to modify the file, you would also need to put in a password there. So, but for today's exercise, what we will do is just going to activate this one, the top one, which is password to open. So a quick note here, Microsoft has not enabled any password condition, so there's no minimum or set character. There's also no uppercase, lowercase, or a condition to put in special characters, so you can simply put anything you would like here. However, if you would like to follow cybersecurity best practice, you want to make your password as secure as possible. Ideally, also, you remember that. So make your password secure as possible. All right, let's put in a password here. Okay, I'll press enter and I go retype that same password again, making sure it is the right one. And you go OK. And the next thing you need to do is just save the file. So there you have it. It's already saved. So if you'd like to test that, we will close this file. And as you know, I saved the file in my downloads folder. So I'll click on that one and the file is there. I'll double click on this one. And as you can see here, it's prompting me to enter the password to open the file. Now, if you don't know the password, then, or the people that doesn't know the password, they won't be able to open the file and they're stuck here. So they can't type. If you type in the wrong one, it will just give you this error. So to open it, let's just do that again. Okay, type in the password here. And there you have it. You've now opened your file. So now, if you want to disable that feature, you simply go to the same steps. So you go File, you go Save As, you go Browse, and you click on the location. As you know, downloads in my case, and the file name is there. You click on Tools, you go General Options again, and you simply select all the asterisks or the dots in this section. Remove it by pressing backspace, delete, and you go OK, you save, and you want to replace that, you select yes, you close it to test it. So now if we try and open it, it doesn't prompt you to enter your password once again. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.